Agricultural equipment operators are the backbone of the farming industry, responsible for operating and maintaining machinery that facilitates crop cultivation. Their role ensures the efficient and effective production of food and other agricultural products, contributing to the overall success of the agricultural sector. Agricultural equipment operators are skilled professionals who operate a variety of machinery used in agricultural production, including tractors, combines, and other specialized equipment. Their primary goal is to ensure the smooth and efficient operation of these machines to support farming activities. The responsibilities of agricultural equipment operators vary depending on the type of machinery they use and the specific needs of the farm. Common duties include operating machinery, driving and controlling tractors, combines, and other agricultural machinery to plant, cultivate, and harvest crops. Maintenance and repair, performing routine maintenance and minor repairs on equipment to ensure optimal performance and prevent breakdowns. Monitoring operations, observing machinery during operation to detect and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Transporting equipment, moving equipment from one location to another, often requiring knowledge of proper loading and unloading techniques. Record keeping, maintaining accurate records of equipment usage, maintenance, and repairs. During periods when machinery is not in use, agricultural equipment operators engage in various activities to ensure they are prepared for the next farming season. Equipment maintenance involves conducting thorough inspections and performing necessary repairs or upgrades to machinery. Training and skill development includes attending workshops or courses to stay updated on the latest advancements in agricultural technology and machinery. Additionally, they assist with other farm tasks such as livestock care, crop monitoring, and general farm upkeep. While formal education is not always required, many agricultural equipment operators benefit from having a high school diploma or equivalent. Some operators may also pursue vocational training or technical programs related to agricultural machinery. Key qualifications include a high school diploma or equivalent, which provides a foundation for understanding machinery operation and maintenance. Vocational training programs are offered by technical schools or community colleges that focus on agricultural machinery and equipment. On-the-job training is another crucial aspect where operators gain hands-on experience through apprenticeships or entry-level positions under the guidance of experienced operators. Additionally, some operators may choose to obtain certification from organizations such as the Equipment and Engine Training Council or EETC to demonstrate their expertise and commitment to the field. The pay and benefits for agricultural equipment operators can vary based on factors such as location, experience, and the type of machinery they operate. Generally, the compensation package includes pay, with the average annual salary for agricultural equipment operators ranging from $25,000 to $50,000, depending on experience and region. Operators with specialized skills or certifications may earn higher wages. Common benefits include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Some employers may also offer additional perks such as housing or transportation allowances. Agricultural equipment operators play a crucial role in the success of the farming industry. Their expertise in operating and maintaining machinery ensures that crops are cultivated and harvested efficiently, ultimately contributing to the global food supply. By understanding their duties, downtime activities, education and certification requirements, and pay and benefits, we can better appreciate the importance of these skilled professionals in the agricultural sector.